This is a great opportunity for the fans to have some fun and be part of the filmmaking process, and we hope you enjoy it very much.
Exactly. We're going to dedicate the building in honor of victory over good over evil, hopefully, right?
Not that we have anything against evil.
No, evil keeps us employed, actually, so we need to work.
Love evil!
We're going to clear the deck because we don't want to be in the way of this.
Back off.
We're going to make sure we back off big time. Oh, you better back off. Back off.
Oh,
Everybody back up now. We want to make plenty of room here.
So good to have you on the team.
So jealous of you right now. All right.
Me and with that, a couple of old friends.
I loved it. It was great. I think it's the best thing in the park.
When the Aries spell is broken, it has to change back into a human. So we have to do the morphin bang. Keep your eyes open, guys.
It's just gotten to the stage where it's becoming overwhelming. I certainly never predicted that I would be on a billboard 20 meters high, Very thrilling. And it's lovely to be here. It's a beautiful city.